Ready.
Hold it down lower, because you don't want no bubbles up in there.
Steele's enjoying this a little too much.
Oops.
Ah!
That's not bad.
Yeah,
Yes.
it is.
You know, but then like Joe's had like 8 beers, so I guess we can excuse him for a little bit.
Alright. How high do you want me to hold it? Gravity will take effect depending on how many inches I raise this.
How many inches?
Well, just, well, it depends.
I'll give you a signal.
How many inches do you want me to raise this, Jesse?
Well, it depends on the
That's
pressure.
what he said.
I'll tell you when.
Pressure's going up.
You listen to me.
Damn, if I had to put it in my mouth first. That shit down.
Oh, no, you put it down. You put it down.
No, but you.
No, Joe, you have to put it down
God.
so that he can put it up.
You cheat.
Would you put yours down?
No, you have to put yours down, yes.
I don't want to shoot me in the face before I even get in my mouth. Hold it there.
Shoot.
I love that.
You guys would have to like, you know, if people were to see this without the image, they're going to be so wrong.
They wouldn't understand. It's gonna shoot me in the face. Put it down, Joe.
It's like,
Oh, it's in my eye.
you know how many inches do you want me to raise it?
Still in my mouth, goddammit.
Okay.
I couldn't take it. I couldn't listen to it.
I'm gonna give you the signal. Would you stop?
I'm not gonna
Come on,
Don't worry.
come on, guys,
Joe.
do it.
Go.
No, I'm gonna say when. You give me.
I will raise it when you.
Man, you guys fucking take
Leave it.
forever. I'm just like, okay, let's do it. Boom. And you guys are like,
All right.
blah, 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 blah.
Stop jerking it around.
Hurry up.
All right, go.
Okay, pull it up. Push it up. Push. Yeah. All the way up. Jesse, you gotta hold it up too, because you know he's kind of
I'm
short.
trying to.
There you go.
Just hold it. Just shoot it.
I am trying.
Give me that. What the hell is wrong with you?
Maybe I should have done it.
You